All right, guys, so today we're talking about the Aptkdoe HD65 true wireless earbuds. So Aptkdoe did reach out to us, for this collaboration. So they are sponsoring this video. We're very thankful for that. So thank you so much for that. But basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna get into the box and then we're gonna kind of get into some of the specifics about it and talk about it. So let's get into unboxing. All right, so we are going to go ahead and get into this box for the HD65 True Wireless Earbuds. It is a nice box. Let's open it up. All right, it says open here. Oh, look at that. And it looks like it's already charged. That's kind of cool. So let's actually get this open. Wow, look at that. Oh, very cool. It goes over the ear. It's gonna be really nice when playing sports. Okay, check out the accessories. You have some different ear sizes. And then we have the USB-C, which right there is the charging port for the USB-C. Yeah, this thing is pretty snazzy. Look at that. That is just super cool looking. All right, so let's test this out. All right, guys, so as you can see in the unboxing, it is a very cool design, right? You have this over the ear, which is really gonna hold it in, especially if you're working out. But yeah, let's talk about that a little bit. So what is this designed for? So really designed for sports. Has an IPX7 waterproofing, so it's gonna really help you, if you're sweating during your workouts. Has 3 different sizes for the ear tips. You have that large, medium, and small, which is gonna really help you, fit it, custom to your ear, which is awesome. It's made for sports, working out, training, running, and travel. Lots of different scenarios you can be using these in, and just fantastic product. So you do have the hi-fi stereo sound. It's going to be equipped with a 14.2 millimeter graphene diaphragm. So you're going to kind of get some good bass. You're going to get a good well-rounded sound. Is it going to be as good as like Apple AirPods Pros? No, right? But for the price, it's a really fantastic sound. You also have 75 hours long battery life, right? So 15 hours of use and then 60 hours of charging with a charging case. Also, it's 1.5 hours of fast charging. So you're up and going pretty quickly. So yeah, super fantastic battery life. It has that Bluetooth 5.4 technology. It was really easy to connect to all of my devices. I use it on my Mac Air. I use it on my iPhone just for editing purposes and different things. So really worked really well. It does have that LED display. So, and one-step pairing. So very easy pairing, but you can kind of see the display there. Really easy to see how your battery life is and what's going on. So super cool there. And then you have a lot of easy control with the buttons. Like you could even tap it 3 times and talk to Siri, right? But you can skip forward or backwards on the songs. You can turn your volume up. Just so many different features with the tap on the side. So yeah, super good there. But yeah, just a fantastic product. The pros are obviously, it's made for sports, right? So it has the IPX7 waterproofing. You have the hi-fi stereo sound with that graphene diaphragm. You have 75 hours long battery life. Super good battery life. Bluetooth 5.4 technology, LED power display, so you can kind of see where you're going. And then of course those, buttons on the side. Now, the one con I will say is it's very easy to put this in your pocket. It's a little more difficult to put this in your pocket. So I wish that was, design was a little bit smaller on the case. However, I don't know if they really could, so, if you're gonna go to work out, if you're gonna go to the gym, you might just want to leave the case in your car and just have, the earbuds in your ears. So that would be kind of the only caveat. And I do wish the bass was a little bit louder. But overall, just fantastic, sound for the price. These are budget earbuds, and they give you a very good value for being a budget earbud. So, definitely take a look at this. Again, thank you, Aptkdoe, for picking us for this sponsorship and collaboration. Really do appreciate that. And please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let us know in the comments, like what are some of the earbuds or headsets that you use. Let us know what you think. All right. So yeah, it's a great time doing these with you guys, and we really appreciate you. And we'll see you in the next one.